to encourage.
The urban campaign of Vikasit Bharat Sankalp Yatra VBSY reached Jowai yesterday, where an elaborate program was held at Madan Lathlabo. The aim of the Yatra is to achieve saturation of various welfare programs launched by the Government of India. Under the campaign, a specially designed IEC Information, Education, Communication van reached Lathlabo. Under the campaign, the camp was organized to offer services like free health checkups, on-spot facility to get Aadhaar cards issued, and also to update existing cards. The residents also came forward to get Ayushman Bharat health cards issued and gather awareness under PM's Swanidhi scheme.